Hi everyone. Well, I'm in the hospital. See this is what happens when a table saw meets a finger.
Alright, it's
I
focused.
did that yesterday. We're just getting it redressed, and it's kind of swollen.
You got what, like 5 stitches there?
5 stitches or so, yeah. I even grossed out one of the nurses. Right, which is pretty cool. I mean, it's not often. So.
So here we are.
Yeah, well, here we are in the hospital again.
His name is now Stumpy.
Yeah. I got no feeling on that side. It's going to be
Because the nerve was severed.
Yeah, I severed the nerve. It's a nasty bugger.
You alright? Okay.
Yeah, I'm okay.
You're talking to me, so I guess you're alright.
So,
Yeah, there's
nasty. Anyway, till the next time.